Hey everyone, how's it going? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thanks so much for stopping back by the channel. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing Cronos videos here and there, possibly every other day or something. I'm really bullish on the Cronos chain, and it's something I just want to cover. Hopefully, you guys are interested. Let me know down below if you want me to continue doing Cronos videos as well. Hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel to keep yourselves updated on everything Cronos. This is one that I've been in long term with. I've been in Cronos now for, I would say, at least a couple of years. I held through the high and also down to the low, which I was staked, so I didn't really have much choice. I had wanted to get the next Visa card that they had in line, so yeah, I ended up staking, and but anyways, I'm still bullish on Cronos. I think it's a good long-term hold, so it doesn't really affect me that much, really. Some things I like to take profits on, and other things I'd like to, hold on to and see what happens, right? So Cronos is one of those projects for me. So what are we coming up on here now? Cronos is going to start a burn mechanism. So this is really cool. We're imminent. The first initial inaugural burn is imminent. They're allocating a portion of newly emitted Crow tokens to a dedicated community pool, and when the pool reaches a predetermined threshold, a governance proposal can be initiated to transfer the accumulated funds into an inaccessible dead wallet. So that would be permanently removing them from circulation. Nobody can touch them. They're basically considered burnt, right? You take them out of circulation, nobody can ever access them, and that's the definition of a token burn. So the magic 50 million mark. So the official Cronos Twitter account says the community pool is fast approaching the significant 50 million Crow mark. And it's proposed by network stakeholders as the threshold that will trigger Cronos's first ever token burn. The protocol promises to kickstart a new phase of development and adding a burn mechanism to the Cronos chain. So, by establishing a consistent burning schedule, Cronos hopes to provide more predictability for investors while gradually reducing the overall token supply over time. So what that means is when you take tokens out of circulation, it increases the value of the other tokens that are left in circulation. So what does that mean? Well, it does inflate the price, but it also creates a deflationary token. So there's going to be less and less of tokens available over time, right? So there's still important decisions for Cronos to make regarding how future burns will be structured on an ongoing basis. And there's two initial proposals. I mean, this could change. This is just proposals, right? So you could have a threshold triggered model. So with this approach, each time the community pool balance reaches a predefined amount, such as say 25 million Crow, another burn event would automatically kick in. And we wouldn't need to, have another proposal and a vote and all that stuff. It would be predetermined. We could also have calendar-based governance. So burns could occur at regular intervals, like quarterly, regardless of the pool balance. Well, it's less responsive, but its time-based governance provides a clear, predictable schedule that may simplify analysis for traders and analysts. That's cool as well, but the only thing that I don't like about scheduled burns is that, okay, so you have your long-term holders, right? And they're the ones that are really providing support for the token. Um, they're there for the long term. They're the people that you would like to reward, right? But then we have other people coming in just to get in before the burn so that they can reap the rewards of the higher price, and then they sell. I mean, you're going to have that either way. However, when people hear, oh, there's going to be a burn here, there's going to be a burn there, they're jumping all over the place. They're taking money from this project going into this project. And I don't necessarily like that, but Cronos, I think, can hold their own, but it remains to be seen. We'll see what they decide to do. The community is going to ultimately decide there. So with Cronos community burn mechanism prime for activation within the next month, Crow could be on the verge of a catalyst that extends its stellar 1 month 54% price rise. Keep a close eye on burn updates and price action, as this might be Cronos's chance to break out to a new level. Yeah, so that's very exciting. I'm really glad that they decided to put in this burn mechanism. Burns aren't always needed for every single project, but I think this could be a good thing for Cronos. Binance is losing a little bit of volume. Crypto.com is, I think, standing the test of time there. And I think crypto.com is poised to be, a massive giant in the whole exchange ecosystem. And Cronos is right there, the official token of crypto.com. So, we'll just wait and see what happens. I'm really interested in to see how this burn is going to take place and what they're going to do in the future. I'm in Crow for a long term. I can't see myself even taking profits from Crow, probably for, I don't know. My plan was to hold it for probably at least till 2025. We're gonna see what happens, obviously, when we have the Bitcoin halving, but, as of right now, that's my trading plan. So, I do reevaluate every once in a while, but I try not to, you know, go off the beaten path as much as I can. But that's what I got for you in this video. Let me know if you guys, like Crow videos, if you want me to do some more on this, and, I'll let you know when the burn happens, and, we'll have a look at and see what their plan is for the next burn. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.